Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This time around, we'll be making a beginner's nasilemak. Nasilemak is Malaysia's national dish and it is delicious. This recipe is made with easy to obtain ingredients and it is suitable for beginners to try. Let's dive into the ingredients needed. White rice, coconut milk, anchovies that has already been cleaned, red chillies, dry red chillies, onion, garlic, shrimp paste, or as it's known in Malaysia, belacan, the white part of lemongrass, ginger, you will also need tamarind, more onions and ginger, and finally some pandan leaves. Let's get cooking. Firstly, we'll be preparing the rice to be cooked with a rice cooker. Here I'm using about 5 cups of rice, so I'll be pouring in 3 cups of coconut milk and approximately 2.5 cups of water. Place the pandan leaves into the pot along with some ginger and salt. Mix well. Place the pot in the rice cooker and let's move on to the sambal preparation. Add in the red chillies, dry chillies, onion, garlic, lemongrass, ginger and shrimp paste into the blender jar. Pour some water into the jar and it's time to blend. The paste should look something like this. Okay, let's cook the sambal. Pour a generous amount of oil to saute the anchovies. Fry the anchovies until they are brown. Remove the anchovies from the oil and put it to a side to cool down. Now, use the same oil and pour the chili paste into the pan. The anchovy taste in the oil will give the sambal a little more oomph. Close the lid and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let's check on the rice. It should look something like this. Once you have reached your desired consistency, add in anchovy stock, sugar and salt, along with some tamarind. Add this ingredient to your taste and mix well. Add in the onions and mix well. Close the lid and let it cook further for another 2 minutes. Finally, add in the fried anchovies. I prefer to pre-fry my anchovies because it gives the sambal an extra crunch. Look, the rice is ready too. Plate it like this, and before you eat, it's time for the Instagram picture. Serve with some fresh cut cucumbers and boiled or fried egg. You may also add some fried peanuts and fried anchovies as garnish on the side. This is a nasilemak recipe for beginners. I might post a more advanced recipe with fried chicken in future. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in my next video.